Now let's take a look on cell formatting and formatting, condition formatting of your spreadsheet. So what I have here is just a simple table that I've just guessed and created. You can see that we do have February sales and item, quantity, price, and overall cost. Then we have total cost. Now, if we take a look at this table clearly, it's just calculating the quantity times the price. So you can see that I do have a simple calculation here, a multiplication. Then I do have total cost here, right here. If we change the quantity to 5, you can see that the overall cost is changing. So those are just simple calculations that we can have. But however, this session is mainly for formatting the table. So when I say formatting, I'm just meaning of how you can actually set or change. You can change the appearance of the table that you're working in the spreadsheet. So in here, if I click right here, what I can have is I can center this. Since it's already merged, I can center this, put it at center. It's just as simple like that. And I can also change the orientation of the text, or maybe I want to put it right here. You can see that right now it's filled. I can change it to wrap the cell or not, or I can just increase the size of the cell in order to create this and change the orientation, right? You can do crazy things with these as well. So you can format the alignment or something like that. But before I go there, I want to show you how you can actually put themed colors on your spreadsheet, because theme colors are very good and essential for companies that they want to make their presentation very consistent. So if we go here on page layout, we can have this section called themes. If we go on, so you can check on themes, these are built-in themes. You can browse for themes right there. You can see if I am maneuvering here, I'm having different types of fonts because, yeah, there are different types of themes. If I go here on colors, you can see that there are different colors that are available to me. I can go to customize color. So let's take a look, closer look at this. You can see that the customized color right here, we have got text background, text background 1, 2. So these ones, the first 4 ones, you don't have to care about them. These are just default. So they make sure that if you can see right here, they just make sure that the the text and the background, they don't actually collide. But let's take a look at the accent colors. There are 6 accent colors. These ones are the ones that you have to change. So you make sure that you change them. And once you change them, these are going to be very, very similar to the one that you have for your company. So in order to change them, we can go to here on the accent color and choose the color that you want. So you can also click here. It's the same thing, and create on more colors. You can choose the color that you want. That is actually for your company. So let's cancel this one. Let's go to colors and let's choose the median color. So if I have done that, if I go to Home tab and click on here, you can see the median color is the one that is appearing right here. So these are the ones that appear there. That's the one that I've chosen so far. So there is also another way of changing the styles. So let's go to here, orientation. Let me bring it back. We are back and change the orientation to upper and double click. I think we are back right there. So if I go to sales style here, I also have some styles that are available to me, and I can actually choose the accent color that I want. Let me go to here. So you see that these colors is the ones, they are similar to the ones that I've chosen, the median colors. So yeah, you can work on those. Let me highlight this one and change this style as well to this one. Let me change this one to a little bit of an accent color right here. And you can see that I do have some other, I do have a good chart that I'm working with. I can also change it here to a little bit of accent color right here. And I think it's looking quite wonderful. It's a little bit presentable. I cannot say that it looks amazing. And I also can change the heading here to this one, just like this, change the font color to white so that it should look a little bit presentable. Now, before we go on another area to see the ghost or something, let's go to, let me just show you how you can create, not how you can create, but how charts also affected for the font color. Let me just highlight this and create charts. So let me go to insert and create just a simple 2D bar chart. I think this one. Let me go to this one. You can see that it's using the very same colors that we have so far. So this chart is very huge. Just move it right here. Light here. Okay, let me put it here so that we can actually see. So you can see that this chart is very big for use cases, but it's very relevant. You can see the quantity here is in reference to the cost or something. You can't see the quantity here. If we increase this to 1,100, you can't see because it will still continue to raise the overall cost. So this is not a good way of creating quantities so far. But anyway, you get the point that I'm trying to raise here. So on charts, we'll actually see how we can customize these ones later on. I'll actually premiere that section. But let's see something else, which is actually important for this session. We call it condition formatting. So I'll not take much of your time. So what it is when you say conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting, some other times you just want to see the data depending on the color of your data set. So if I highlight this and place conditional formatting and go to highlight sales rules, maybe less than, maybe I want less than 200 here. If I click here and press OK, so everything that is less than 2,500 is going to be highlighted with this value. So if we even change here maybe to 2, you can see now it's highlighted. It's happening automatically. It's happening on the go. If we say here to 20, not 20, it's still less than, let me put here maybe 30. You can see it's not highlighting. So in this case, you can get insight as fast as possible. Some other times you just want to get insight depending on the percentage in equivalence to the highest value. You can do so right here. So it's good to play around with these sets, or you can do color scaling. So color scaling actually, it's the same thing. You can put, I think you have actually seen this. If I press OK, it means that the one which is in blue is very large. Then the one which is a little bit less than, it changes from blue to red. So you can customize this if you want. So actually, it's just formatting, and you can get insight from the data by just looking at it. So anyway, this is all I had for you in this section. Make sure you practice this, and I believe you get better working with these tools in Microsoft Excel. Last session we'll actually continue with the charts, and we'll see how we can work with charts. And in that case, we'll be done with Microsoft Excel. So anyway, have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.